If you need to delete a DNS record in GoDaddy, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. Whether you're removing an old A record, CNAME, TXT record, or any other DNS entry, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that manages the domain you want to edit, because DNS records are tied to the domain itself. After you log in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains and services in one place. Once you're on the My Products page, scroll down to the Domains area and select the specific domain you want to manage. This part is important if you own more than one domain, because you want to make sure you're changing the correct one. After selecting your domain, you'll see the Domain Settings page. From there, click DNS or Manage DNS. This opens the DNS management area where all of your records are listed. Here, you'll see different entries such as A records, CNAME records, MX records, TXT records, and more. Take a moment to find the exact record you want to delete. Be careful here because deleting the wrong DNS record can affect your website, email, or verification setup. If you're not sure which record to remove, double-check the name, type, and value before continuing. Once you've located the record, look for the trash icon or the delete option next to it. Click that delete button to remove the record from your DNS zone. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve the confirmation prompt. After that, the record will be deleted from your domain's DNS settings. If you don't see the change immediately, don't worry. DNS updates can sometimes take a little time to propagate across the internet. In some cases, it may update within minutes, but in others, it can take longer, depending on the record and your DNS settings. If you were deleting the record to fix a website issue, connect a service, or remove an old verification entry, it's a good idea to refresh the page and make sure the record is fully gone. You can also check that the rest of your DNS records are still correct, so nothing else is affected. That's really all there is to it. You've now deleted a DNS record in GoDaddy in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.